Sup, Tipzies? How's it going today? I've been here a minute, but this is gonna be my intro to an amazing night about a week and a couple days ago. Anyway, before I show you the video of my incredible Tuesday night, it was I'd only been here Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I had been there for like 4.5, 5 days, and my Tuesday night was incredible. It was fantastic. Anyway, this is kind of a story about being nice and friendly and open. My Airbnb host and her boyfriend, they are so sweet. Basically I got there and I was just me. I got there, I met, and then it was a couple days before I met, but we immediately hit it off and were talking or whatnot. And then said to me, he said, you're the nicest guest that we've had so far. And that shocked me. I'm like, really? And he's like, yeah, either no, they don't want to talk to us or we don't want to talk to them, or whatever, but you're so nice. And so it's about being nice. I ended up, being friendly with them and just being me, but being friendly with them opened up the opportunity to be invited to something that I may not have been invited to. Something to hang out with locals and not with a bunch of tourists. So that's the point, is be open, be friendly, just be nice, and Lord only knows what will come of it. And so I hope you're ready. This was a great night. And I'm super excited to show you. So here it is. Whoa! Rock out.
I'm gonna find you, won't do right, keeping my control, fucking lose it every time. Listen now, this is real, faith is not the end, my friend, you gotta have no fear. Something's breaking on the road. They wanna crush your mind. Walk this fucking floor. Gonna find you, won't do right. Creatures of control, they fucking eating out my mind. This is now, this is real. Fate is not the end, my friend. You gotta have no fear. Something's breaking on the road. You gotta cross the line, smash their fucking doors. There's something's breaking on the road. They wanna crush your mind, want this fucking floor.
See? An amazing night. An amazing night because I was nice. So much fun. So much fun. So it was a great little introduction to Edinburgh. Good times. Party on. Woo! And stay tipsy, my friends. Hello!
So, we're in the Startups, and we just figured out that this are, guess what? Inflatable sheep! What the hell, man? And, Sticky Willy.
Sticky Willy,
Large size.
Wait,
Mine.
throw them where? Throw them. Watch them stick.
Guess where?
We got a vibrator, quality smooth metallic vibrator.
If you
Oh, a
prefer
sticky boob.
Sticky boob, yeah.
Wait, throw it and watch it stick.
We're
Oh!
What is
What
that?
the? Oh, that's his.
Vibrator.
Oh wait, that's his chest. I was worried for a second. I thought that was something else.
We have 3 pussies as well.
Travel pussy?
Just for 4 pounds, guys.
Artificial vagina. 4
Just 4
pounds. That's
pounds.
it. The bullet vibrator, tingly sensuality, and then wait, mojo, sexual attractants in a pic. Wait, no, in a pic. I can't read. Just apply to increase your sexual powers, baby.
Yeah! Just 2 pounds, guys. 2 pounds.
Naughty toys for girls and boys. But wait, we can't be outdone by Mick Condom. Scotch whiskey flavored condoms. I think I would puke. I would literally